Hi all, this is Sherry with another WordPress tutorial for associate degree students with the University College. We've had an update on WordPress since my last tutorials. So we're now in August 2017, and the way that you add pages and change things around in your menu has changed, which is probably causing some confusion for people. So what we do is we go to this main site, so click on My Sites and make sure that you're on your main page here and that you are in this edit view. So when you're in edit view, these buttons down here come up, usually down the bottom right hand corner. What we need to do to add a page is hit the customize button. So down here it's little tools on your bottom right, and then this menu bar comes up down here. So what we want to do is click on menus, and then you'll have a primary menu. Sometimes when you click on here there'll be a secondary menu. Sometimes there'll be another one that says social media menu, something like that. What we want to do is just click on primary. At the moment you can see you've got a home page, an about page, a contact page and a blog page. Now we want to add some pages, so click on here, add items. So adding items, add new page here, click on there. We're adding a page for assessments, and then we go over here and click add. Done. We also want to add, now earlier in the term 1 of this year we had students create pages for their portfolio pieces, their interim plans and their final presentations, and they were what we called those pages. Since that time we've learned that students prefer to create pages per subject and put those underneath assessments. So let's go with that because we've had feedback that students prefer that. So what we're going to do is ignore that down there in the bottom right hand of my screen that popped up. I'll just get rid of it. What we're going to do is we're going to add items again, add new page over here, and we're going to call it business finance. So, okay, we're adding business finance. Click, because that we're going to put all the assessments for business finance in here. Then we click over here, or artifacts, reflections that are to do with your business finance. Another subject, some students are doing business planning, so let's put that in. We're going to have a page, business planning, add. So all we're doing is adding pages randomly here. Now we're going to go, what about marketing? Let's say, I think it's business marketing. That might be next term, but anyway, let's just put it in there, add. So what we've got here is we've got assessments, we've got the subject business finance, another subject business planning, another subject business marketing. What we want to do is move this menu around. Now to do that, you can press this reorder button down here, or you can grab and drag. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab here, which is left click of the mouse, hold down, drag it across. I'm going to click business planning, drag across. Business marketing, drag across. Oh, I don't know what happened there, something a little bit glitchy. So now what you'll see is we've got a page, it's a home page, we've got an about page, contact page, a blog page and an assessments page. Under the assessments page are these sub pages. If they're indented a little bit here, they're a sub page. Now what you can do is to minimise the number of things across the top, we can actually put the contact page, grab that and bring it in a bit, and that's now underneath your about page, so that you've got, see how if you go to the right in the middle area over here, so where I'm flashing around, you can see now that the contact page sits under the about page as a sub page, and under assessments you've got business finance and business planning, and business marketing's gone back over here. So we'll grab hold of it here and we'll try and talk to it and make it come back. Why doesn't it want to come back? Sometimes WordPress can be glitchy, so just go down to here if this happens and we'll do a reorder by clicking that button. just move that, and then move it back down, and then say done, and then try and grab it and bring it in, and then save and publish. Maybe we didn't save and publish, so up here there's a button that says save and publish. So if in doubt and things aren't working, hit the save and publish and then go back in and play around. This over here, home, it takes a little while to process sometimes, but now you can see that the contact page is under the about page. The blog page is separate. Some people drag that and put it under their home page. It's up to you, it doesn't matter. Assessments page, you've got business finance, business marketing and business planning. So they all sit under there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add another one. So let's just click on this add items again, and let's add a page for student learning plans. Click add, and now we've got a page for student learning plans. Save and publish. So what you'll find now is that I've shown you how to add pages. I've shown you how to move them around here. Sometimes it can be a bit glitchy and a bit tricky. You can use the reorder button down there, or you can just click on them and drag them around along here. It can be frustrating at times, and sometimes it just won't work. If you have problems with it, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the portfolio coaches, the tutors. One other thing I'd like to show everyone while I'm here, if you actually click off this primary menu here and go over, sometimes you'll have a different menu that rolls up here and it can mess everything up. I'm going to show you an example. Let's put in a new menu. Let's just call it associate degree. Create menu, and it says add items. So let's click add items. Let's say student learning plans, business marketing, business planning, business finance, assessments. Click this bar here to bring up some more options. Custom link to a home page or just a home. I don't know what this custom link business is. Let's just put a home page, about page, contact, blog. Now you'll see they're all here, but look at the order, it's all out of whack. Let's reorder. Let's push up the home page. We want that at the top. Okay, that's happy at the top. Then we want to have the about page. Click, 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 click. Then we want the contacts page underneath that. Whoops. Contact, contact, contact. It's going up. Then I think the blog page, we might want to move that up. So this is just creating another menu. But there is a reason why I'm doing this. It's to show you how to do it if you want to do it. Then assessments. I actually want that student learning plan to go above there. Yep, now we're right. Let's go done. But then let's grab these and move them in. See how we're creating subpages by grabbing? So you left click on the mouse and drag. And they've moved. Let's put this contacts page in a bit as well. Let's hit save and publish. And then see what's happening. All we've done is set up a menu that's exactly the same as the other one, but we've given it a different name. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to show everyone this is because sometimes when you come into your WordPress page, if something's gone wrong and you've lost all this here, you need to come into Customise, click on Menus, and then look at these options here. Sometimes it will go on to default menu, or primary menu will come on when you really want it to be the associate degree menu. So you need to click on the menu, and then you'll be right. Okay, that'll do for now. Thanks everyone.